So it's 5 a.m. and here's the 5 a.m. view from my room. Pitch dark. Oh, there's my blue cab and I can clearly see the driver having his moment. I love sunrises, but I love my sleep more, so I rarely get to see them. I'm extremely sleepy but somehow weirdly energized. On my way, I've already started spotting a few fellow runners. And that's the venue. Finally here, and I must say the arrangements are on point. I just followed the crowd wherever they were heading, and honestly, after all this walking, I think I'm already warmed up for the race. But I must mention, I love this place. Did you know that barrel looking thing is a lift? You're welcome. And we're here. I spotted so many of my office colleagues already. They had a full on Zumba session for warm up, which I thought was super cute and super fun. Also, loving the Independence Day dress code and decoration theme. Now, we're all heading towards the starting point of the marathon. This is my second time doing a corporate marathon, and I'm just as excited as the first one. There are 3 segments: 1 mile, 5 kilometer, and 10 kilometer. And yours truly is running the, drum rolls please, 5 kilometer. That's right. Things are starting off pretty well. Meet Ishika and Chitwan, my running buddies for today. You'll be seeing a lot of them in the vlog. There are water and lemonade stops every kilometer, and oh my god, how gorgeous is this building! I am obsessed with Golf Course Road and its skyscrapers. Yay, we've completed 1 kilometer already. But look at these people who have already made the U-turn. Seriously, they're way ahead of us. But hey, we're no athletes, we showed up, and that's what counts. 2.5 down, 2.5 more to go. Ishika is not at all impressed with our stamina, and to be fair, she's got a point. At this point, I'm so done and exhausted, but hey, I'm still better than Chitwan, right? Right? Look at our smiling faces, we've hit 4 kilometer. Also, there's the cutest mini Goa themed cafe on the route, and I really want to stop by because let's be real, that's the only Goa trip I'm getting anytime soon. We can do it! And we did it! This guy handing out the medals has the best job ever, hands down. We collected our well-deserved badges. They even had a recovery zone with physicians, body sprays, and some eco-friendly souvenirs. Asking Chitwan to record in a horizontal frame for YouTube. Good job, Chitwan. But seriously, who serves pav bhaji after a marathon? Then came the prize distribution. Over 50 companies participated, and of course, we came first, like we have for the past 3 years.
With the maximum female representation. The company with the maximum participation in the 8th edition of Corporate Jungle. The stage isn't enough for them. This venue is enough for them. Put your hands together and make some noise for Team Victor! East or West?
I met Isha, who took part in the 1 mile run. I mean, is that even a marathon? That's basically a sprint. Anyway, we had some regular girly chats which totally don't concern any of you. We clicked some pics in my oversized marathon t-shirt. On my way back, I had a fun chat with the auto wale bhaiya. He asked me, what's the point of running 5 kilometer once a year and not running any other day? And honestly, I had no answer. Oh, and I got a goodie bag. And by the time I had reached home, I was totally dead. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep laughing, keep learning, and remember, you've got this.